Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 22 Plantation Road. This is a substantial detached family home, giving you a huge amount of reception space. Namely, you've got the 31 by 21 foot open plan living area with the log burning stove, the separate lounge with further log burning stove. You've got a 15-foot study and family space depending on how you'd like to lay the property out, and then of course 4 double bedrooms with 2 en-suites and a beautiful south-facing rear garden. Now we're going to come straight through into that study and reception space here as soon as we come through on the left hand side. So depending on what you need, this property really can accommodate it. So a wonderful study and family space there. Coming further down the hallway, we're going to take a look here at the cloakroom. Really nice modern space, really nicely finished here. And again, coming back out into the hallway and across, we'll go through into the main reception room here and the lounge. So you can see they're the first of the wood-burning stoves that we've got here in the property. A wonderful feature to have. And then of course with that half bay window to the front, letting all of that natural light flood through, this really is a room that you can cozy up in and enjoy. Further to the rear of the property, we're going to go into the kitchen, family and dining room next, where you'll see a huge amount of open plan living, all presented to a beautiful modern standard as well. The kitchen itself does come with a full range of fitted appliances and further space for white goods. But how impressive is this space? As soon as you come through, you see that wood burning stove on the right hand side, all of that natural light flooding through from the windows and doors to the rear, and then of course you've got the further access into the back garden from here as well. So the perfect space for entertaining friends and family and just enjoying unwinding at the end of a long day. Next up, we'll go through and take a look at the utility before we go upstairs and start taking a look at a couple of the bedrooms. So for now, we'll go through the kitchen, take a look at the utility room, and then we'll head upstairs. So here we are upstairs at number 22 Plantation Road on the first floor. I'm going to go through and take a look at the first of 4 double bedrooms. Now this is a fantastic size room. You've got that window into the eaves at the front, fitted wardrobe storage immediately on the left hand side, and plenty of space in here for the double bed and for further storage as well. We'll go through into another double bedroom next, this time again with more fitted wardrobes before we head through and take a look at the main family bathroom. So the next of the double bedrooms here, wonderful sized room again with that huge bank of windows at the front, just overlooking that huge driveway that you've got. Plenty of off-road parking to the front with this one, and again in that bedroom we did have that fitted storage in the wardrobes on your immediate left hand side. Coming through into the main family bathroom here, it's nice that you've got that open shower unit in the middle with of course the bath at one end. Again, beautifully presented to a nice modern finish and standard. Coming through into the first of the en-suited double bedrooms, this time again with more fitted wardrobe storage, lovely amounts of room in here, plenty of space for the double bed and further storage, and then of course you've got the en-suite shower room here as well, beautifully presented again to a wonderful modern standard with the shower on the right hand side and then the loo on the left and sink straight ahead of you. So let's go through and take a look at the last of the double bedrooms. This room is spectacular. You've got the double room there with the ensuite, and then you also have the walk-in wardrobe as well, this time with some lovely views out from that huge bank of windows straight ahead of you from the bed. So in this room here, you can see on the right hand side, we're just going to turn the camera around and take a quick look at the walk-in wardrobe. Plenty of room in here, and then at the other end of the room we've got the ensuite. So I'll leave you for a few moments to take this space in. We'll head downstairs, take a look at the back garden, where I'll leave you again for a few moments, take that space in together, and then of course we'll recap a few points on the property a little bit later on before wrapping up today's tour. So there we have it, that has been number 22 Plantation Road, a substantial detached family home with huge amounts of living space, and in particular you've got that beautiful open plan living area to the rear with of course the kitchen, living and dining space. 4 double bedrooms with 2 en-suites here and fitted wardrobe options, huge amounts of parking to the front here, and it's also worth noting that you do have solar panels fitted to the property as well, so it is a wonderful option with of course a convenient village location and a beautiful south facing rear garden. This really could well be a fantastic option for you. Again, I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.